Today what we're doing is we're skimming a ceiling. We'll show you. Harvey's going to show you now. Come on, Harvey.
No, he's not.
No, he's not. But this is the ceiling. Doing small bathroom ceiling. If you look back on our videos, you'll see we've done the bathroom floor maybe a month ago, and another leak happened in this room, so this job got delayed. We're just back now to do it. We're going to ceiling, so we're going to show you step by step how we do it. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Okay, we're going to be using board finish. We started off, we put a small amount of water in because we're only doing the ceiling. So first we're going to add the plaster to the water, so we've got enough in there so we think it's about right before we start using the mixer on it. And I'll just keep putting it in till it starts piling out the top like that. Give it a good stir, Harvey. Get the drill, Harvey. There's one charger in the van, but no. Once we it's a nice consistency like that, just mix it up with the drill. Once you've mixed it up, give it a good scrape around the sides, off the bottom. Make sure there's no dry bits left in it. And give it one more whiz up, and it's ready to go. That's it. Yep, go. Right, first coat on, stick of cement, a blob on, not too much, bit more. Try not to scrape it off, just get a bit and then let it drop off the thing. Yep.
Is it not too watery?
Eh?
Is it not too watery?
It is a bit, but I can work with it. Right, we've got all the tools cleaned out now. Got the first coat on. That's coat 1. Just going to give it a flatten down now and I'll sit second coat on. Right, that's first coat on, flattened down. We're just going to get putting the second coat on now. I'm just going to give it a nice brush around all the edges, in at the corners, so just with a wet brush, and then I'm just going to give it first trowel down, the wet trowel. Pushing hard into it now. Get it all nice and smooth. Yeah. Okay, this is it now. This is had one trowel down and one clean up around the edges. While waiting for that to dry, give it a final trowel down. Just been having a bit of a tidy up, cleaned everything up. It's ready for when the painter comes in now, paints it all. And we're going to finish off doing the bath screen and the bath panel and the light fit lights, which we've marked out where they are. So we know exactly where the lights are going back in, and we know where the fan's going. The fan's going 400 from there and 980 from there. So we've marked it out, so we should be in the right place when we might cut our holes out. Right, we're on the final trowel down now. It's gonna get some water on it, and then we're gonna do the final trowel. All the way around now, and we're done. We're just using the Marshalltown trowel there. It's looking beautiful. Is it in the right place? Yeah. Right, we have finished this now. Come and have a look. That's it done. Had two skin coats and it's had 2 trowel rounds. Looks pretty decent to me. It's a nice job. We're not full-time plasterers, but can do it. Very nice. Very nice. Make sure you come back, watch the next video. So make sure you're subscribing. Bye.